Hello, Bhavita. Hi, Jill. So, hello, everyone. How are you all? I was missing you all very much. So, today we are going to do something different. One second. So, one second. So, all are joining in. So, today we are going to do something different. But before that, let me say, how are you? Hi, Deepal. So, today we are going to do a science experiment with art. So, I regularly go to US for NAEA conference where we learn so many things. So, there is a program called STEM in schools. So, where science, technology, engineering, art, and maths they combine together. Maths teacher and art teacher come together for an art project. Science teacher and art teacher comes together and do an art project. So here on this our Instagram platform, we also do, every time we do different things. We do something different. We want to feel good about it. We want to see maths and art is also interconnected. If you want to draw a portrait, you have to divide, you have to do proper measurement. Even if you art is a geometry. When you do shapes, you are doing shapes. So shapes are geometry. So science project also, let's try to enjoy. You will enjoy the texture what you will get with watercolor. So what material we need masking tape. We need masking tape, any size. This is bigger, this is smaller, any size masking tape. One art paper, art sheet. If it's little thicker, then it is better. Otherwise, any art sheet is fine. We need watercolors. We need tissue paper. We need bowl, water, and we need one flat brush and one thin brush. Then we need scissors. We need sanitizer. Sanitizer has rubbing alcohol. So the properties of rubbing alcohol is to pushing the water. And we need salt. We need salt. So the properties of salt is sucking the water. And you will be surprised to see how you see different patterns with using both the things. So now we have salt. Everyone has salt in their house. We have a sanitizer. Everyone has in their house. So if you don't have a masking tape, don't worry. Don't use masking tape. Just enjoy the texture what you get. Okay, so should we start? And let me talk to you because we are meeting after so long. And thank you for the wonderful reply and the response for the online sessions. And I will try, because the vacation is there and children are free. So I thought let me come live and do some art experiment with all of you. So let's start with our project. Miss, liquid or gel? Anything is fine. Liquid is also fine. Gel is also fine. Mine is gel. So whatever you find easily in your house, use that. Hi Chaitali, Bhumika, how are you? So nice to see all of you, my all familiar names. Hello. So let's start today's work. I will put this video on IGTV also. If you don't have any material, don't worry. We'll go ahead. We have Nisargi with us today for the video. We need very little salt. We are just will sprinkle the salt when we'll do the experiment. Happy New Year, Naitra. So the product will look something like this. You can see different texture on the paper. These are because of the salt and the sanitizer. So we are going to create a beautiful landscape. And hi Koyal, And hello, Tia. Nice to see you all there. Love you so much. And you all are wonderful. Let's start. Let's start our today's experiment with art and science together. Let's see how it works. So, Nisagi, can you take a video? So, I'll change the. And you can turn off the comments as well. 1 second. And we'll do this way, and let me turn off the comments also. 1 second. Turn off commenting. Okay, so this is my paper. There are thick and thin masking tape. I am using thin one because I have already used a thick one on the another experiment. So we are not drawing today anything. So we can do a composition with the masking tape the way you want. So we are making trees. First I'll make the main trunk of the tree. So you can put it the way you want. The masking tape, don't use sellotape, it will peel off your paper. If you don't have, just wait and watch, and then you can continue with me with the watercolor experiment with salt and sanitizer. And if you have masking tape, start. So I made approximately 5 trees. It's okay. It's rain away, I'll bring it. Now I'll make a semi branches here. So what I'll do, I'll cut a little masking tape. We have done this in our class and children enjoyed it so much. So always drawing and painting is not an art. When you experiment, when you try new things, when you try to create something different, that is an art. With the paper also you can do. Have you heard about artist Matisse? Artist Matisse became handicapped, and then he started cutting the papers. He couldn't paint, he was on wheelchair. So he started cutting the papers and started creating a beautiful painting, and with the mixed media, and he made the collages, and you can see his works are so beautiful. So it is not necessary to draw and color only to create a beautiful artwork. So but be sure that your masking tape sticks properly. So we have to stick it properly because water should not enter inside this. And you can cut it and make your branches the way you want. You know that the branches are a little pointed from the corner, so make that way. If you can't cut, if you are young, so take someone's help, and if you can cut it, make your branches. So we are drawing with the masking tape. Isn't it fun? We are not using pencil to draw, we are using masking tape to draw. So we are creating artwork with the masking tape. So you can make wherever you want some branches. If you are creative, if you want more, you can make flowers, and you can create animals. But for the first time, when you are doing this is for the first time, just make some branches and we'll create semi branches. So we are creating a landscape of a jungle. And believe me, it's fun. So the overlapping part, and if you want your branches pointed, cut it from the cross from the corner. So I'm not creating much. One or two more branches I'll create, and then we are done with this. So it's fun. You can create any design you want. This is we are creating a landscape, but you can create any design. And believe me, experimenting is really fun. So try your own design also.
Miss, can you please wait for 10 minutes?
I can't wait. You can see in IGTV, dear. You can see in IGTV later on. Someone is messaging me to wait for 10 minutes, but I can't. Now we are done with our basic work. So we have stuck all the masking tapes properly. I'll check. It should stick to my paper properly. Now the fun part begins. Okay. So now I'm taking a flat brush, or I can do one more thing. First I'll do watercolor part. Okay. So now water, we are starting from down to up. Okay. So bring it closer, Nisargi. So I'm just applying first water. It can go on the masking tape, no worries. So I will do one part. So first apply water. Then we'll take pink color. So watercolor, you must use it watery. So I am applying watery. Then I am mixing it with orange. So everything is wet, so I don't have to do anything. It will mix automatically. Then I am taking lemon yellow. You all can see first and then you can apply. Then I am taking green, because I am taking care that I don't want orange and green should mix. So there should be yellow. Otherwise you will see muddy color. So I am taking green color here. So see, you can see beautiful colors. Now I am putting some sanitizer. Sanitizer is pushing the water. So you can see beautiful effect. And then I am sprinkling some salt. Salt will suck the colors and the water. So once it dries, you will see the different design. So you can see properly the sanitizer, what sanitizer does. The properties of rubbing alcohol is to push water, and properties of salt is to soak water. So you can see, so there is a rubbing alcohol in the sanitizer. So now I am taking the same colors, but I have to wash it properly. I don't want green part. So I am taking one clean water just to apply. So there is one clean bowl of a water. So I am first applying the water. First applying the water. Then I am taking thin brush. First I'll take pink color, the crimson red. Then I'll take orange color, because I don't want orange and green to mix. That is why I am taking yellow as a shield, because yellow and green, if it mixes, it will become light green. But if orange and green will mix, it will become brownish. So after this I am taking green color, because already water is there. So water is doing its work. It is blending my paints. and I don't have to worry because the masking tapes are there, so I can just apply paints. Now again I'll use rubbing alcohol, that is sanitizer. If you have spray, you can sprinkle spray, you will get almost same effect. Sprinkling water, salt, you can see how it is sucking. Same way we can go ahead. We can use different colors also, but I'm trying to creating a landscape. So first apply water. So take one part at a time. Then I'm taking thin brush because I don't want much paints to come. So putting pink color first. Again washing my brush in the another water and using clean paint. Then the yellow. Go slowly and enjoy. I always find watercolors very therapeutic. But the what effect, see, look at now, it is drying and you can see where we have put salt, it has become very light.
Are you going to put this on IGTV? Are you going to put this on IGTV?
Yes, we are going to put this on IGTV. We should decide one day and time where I should continue with this also, because even I enjoy these sessions with all of you. But students are so busy with their regular routine. School and learning online is a challenge, and all of you are doing so beautifully. So again yellow and then the green. Then in these two parts I have to put first I'm putting the sanitizer and then the salt. It will give you beautiful effect once it dries, but now also you can see how it changes. Now 2 parts are left, and we are applying water first in both the parts. So first again pink, because I am going with the continuity. Sometimes watercolors and paint may go under the tree also, so for that also I'm going to use little bit of oil pastel colors later on once it dries. So I'm taking orange color now. It blends automatically. Now I'm taking yellow color. Now again we'll put sanitizer and salt. This is table salt. Thick salt will not do the magic, so you need the table salt. So we are done with the basic thing. I'll switch on the comments if you want to ask anything.
Yeah.
And then we'll go ahead. Once it dries little, we have to peel it out So if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. If any confusion, that is the fun of live art sessions where you can ask. So this is base, but you can take any colors you want. And if you want to ask anything, please ask.
Paper size.
Paper size, I have taken A4 size. I have taken A4 size. I can't see comments here. Yeah. Hi. Arnav, you are there, Arnav Jain. Paper size is A4 size and it is fun. Alka ji, please try this. It is fun. And you can use this in landscape also, any other landscape if you want to make. So I have to wait for some time at least to fill it out. So I am removing the tapes. My paper is thick, so that is why it is coming out very quickly. I am using watercolor paper, but if your paper is not very thick, wait. So see here, it has gone inside little bit. Doesn't matter.
Can we use Tata Salt? Yes. Can we use Tata Salt?
Yes, yeah, you can use Tata Salt. I have used Tata only. It's very famous in every household. We all use Tata Salt.
Hi ma'am, this is Mishaka from Dubai and I'm loving this. Thank you.
Mishika from Dubai. Hi. Thank you for joining and you are enjoying. So most welcome.
Does sanitizer evaporate?
Does the sanitizer? Yes, it will evaporate after it dries. So we learn properties of salt and rubbing alcohol, which is there in the sanitizer. This is science experiment. We do lots of geometry and maths also. And peeling out is also fun, huh? It's fun. So now we are going to give some final touch to the trees, and we can add flowers or leaves, what do you want. I'm going to use little oil pastel to make it little interesting. So I'm removing how much time do take for dry. Hardly 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. But I don't want to take this sessions for longer time, because that is why I am peeling it out. So here a little bit more water I can see, so I'll just dab it. So in watercolor, you should always keep your tissue paper handy or an old cloth. So you can create your own composition also. You can create designs also, but trying will make you perfect. So keep on practicing. Keep on experimenting. Art is always a me time.
Is normal A4 paper fine?
Yeah, normal A4 paper, A3 paper, any paper you can use. I'm waiting for your artworks and your feedback. The lockdown we passed with each other, right? Every day I used to take art sessions, and then we started taking every twice a week. Now I'm giving little bit of a finishing with the marker you can use watercolors also. You can use oil pastels also, but for me this is little faster.
Which watercolor is best to use?
If you are in India, Camel Artist watercolor cakes are best, and if you are in abroad, Winsor and Newton, but those are artistic, so for the beginners these are the best. Winsor and Newton gives a very good effect.
Can they use a thin marker as well?
Yes, marker is not important. You can use thin marker also, you can use dark pencil also, you can use oil pastels also. So I'll give outline. This is a science experiment and we create a beautiful art. We can do maths and art also, geometry and art. Music and art is also fun when you draw with the rhythm of the music. That is also fun. You can play any instrumental music and let your hand move with that music. I think we had done in our lockdown art sessions, I suppose, I am not sure, but that is also fun.
Waterproof markers, right?
This is waterproof, but you can use any regular marker also you can use, because we have already used water, so now it doesn't make any difference because we are not going to put water now on it. Once you are done and everything is dried and everything, then you can use remove the salt, extra salt. So I am taking little ochre yellow and brown, just lightly I am putting it for the tree effect, not filling it up properly, I am just putting lightly. So in 2 minutes our artwork, I will be doing little watercolor leaves afterwards. So first I'm just filling it up. I don't want to fill it up properly, so I'm going into the one direction lightly, not pressing it too much, because I want to take the advantage of the white part of the tree. Please create, please try to make it and share with me. I will share on my story. And if you are making any artwork on your own or you are practicing, please share. I'll tag you, and or you tag me, so I'll tag you and post your work, because we are a family. We all are doing art together. We all love art, so it's good to share. So now one side I am doing little darker brown, because I am showing the light is coming from this side. So one side I am doing little dark, and I can do some patterns of the tree also with the brown. So one side I am doing this, and some patterns. So you can make small cards also with this technique. Not necessarily you have to make the masking tape, say, a design. You can just make small cards with this technique and write your message on it. So it's fun. We do painting with Fevicol also, so that is also a fun. because Fevicol also gives a glue. It gives a different effect only once it dries. So if you use Fevicol and waterproof ink or a watercolor, you get a fantastic result. So experimenting new techniques, but definitely art, drawing is the main thing which you can expertise with practice. So now I'm taking the dark green. Let's make some leaves. So I'm taking now here, I'm taking more paint, not very watery, and I'm trying to, with the brush only, from up to down I'm doing it. So you can just, this is called Chinese type of painting. You can just press your brush and take that effect. And don't paint anywhere, near the branches only we have to paint, or we can show up from up coming down, so from the above branches it is coming out. And we don't want many leaves or something, because our this fun texture will go. So we'll make only little leaves. Just put your brush and take it. So this is really fun to do this. Try and share. Here down also we can make some grasses. So here we'll put and then just take it up. Put and take it up. So here you can see different effect when watercolor and oil pastel mixes. It gives a different effect. I can take little green also, because it is looking only light, the only dark green is not looking very good, so I'm adding little light green also. And from down to up I'm taking the strokes.
Are you going to put this on IGTV? Yes.
Yes, we are going to put it on the IGTV. I want you to try. I want you to have fun with this. So we are done. So these are two types. See, this I did today, and this we did it in our class. So this is with the thick masking tape. This is with the thick masking tape. And here we did oil pastels also. Here we use different color. Yeah, I forgot one thing. We can give some splashes also with red color maybe. So I am taking little red, mixing with little pink, and I am just tapping it on the brush. This is not necessary we should do it, but just to add some dark. And yellow also I'm taking. So we are done. So these are two different types. This is with the thin.
Can you talk louder?
Yeah.
Louder.
So this is with the thin masking tape, and this is with the fat masking tape. The techniques are same. Here leaves are green, here we made red. So I am showing you this also because it is up to you. Here I have used oil pastels only for the outlining. Here also I have used oil pastels also for outlining. No, you can't do on the canvas. How did you think about this one area? I couldn't understood. You can't do on canvas. You can't do on canvas because this experiment will not work with acrylic paints. So hope all of you have enjoyed, and please try. It's fun. and it is nice to see you all after so many days. And stay healthy. If you want to join my class, please DM me, so I'll give you the details. Oh, who said Shefali Mir is the best? Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you so much. Love you so much. And keep doing art. Send it with me. Yes, even I enjoyed with all of you. And I'll try to come again when any public holidays or any holidays. I will try to come in the afternoon so children can enjoy and even mothers are enjoying. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you. Bye. Take care. I will post this on the IGTV. Thank you all of you for so much love and so nice words for me. Thank you. Bye. I will end this live video. Thank you. How to end? Nisargi, how to end? Bye. Can I end it?